Hello my friends, welcome back. In this video I'm supposed to talk about exporting, but before that I'm gonna tell you something about movie mode. Well, as you can remember, in photo mode we could get an export from each shot and add effects to each one of these here, or you could add an effect here for all of them by clicking on master effect list. As you can see, let me delete here. We have the same thing like that in movie mode. Okay, for adding an effect for all of these clips here, you should click on entire movie, and for example this precipitation, and as you can see we have this effect in all the clips. Well, for get an output from each clip, you can click on the clip that you want, for example this one, and go to render clip above that here. See, click on it. Alright, we have many different qualities, as you can see, from small to ultra HD 4K, and we have output quality here, 1 star to 4 stars. Absolutely, we select 4 stars for it. And in frames per second, we have 30 to 200, but it is always on 30 by default. But if you click on 60, your clip will be longer since it is playing slower. Well, but if instead of a movie format we output an image format with the number of frames we have, we should this part, which is image sequence. Alright, now we want it to be 30 frame, and let me disable all these since I want the original image. Well, if it is all frames, it will output all the frames as photos, as images. And then you put these photos one after the other and the clip will be made. Maybe it will be useful for you, but if you click on keyframe, it will happen on that one only. And you can specify a range for frame rate here, for example from 100 to maximum, which is 120. Alright, that's it for range. You can specify the range for it, and the keyframe is this current view that we have here. Yes, and all frames, obviously it is all frames. And for current frame, it will get an output from this image that you have as an image format. Alright, and keyframes, as I told you before, they are the views that you have created them before. For example, in this clip, as you can see, we have 2 keyframes like that. Yes. Alright, so to render that, you can click on keyframe here, and that's it for range. And current frame is about this image that you are seeing this. Alright, and entire clip, let me render full HD to do it faster. Okay, go to this file, folder, and render here. Alright, for example video 01. Okay, let me write it here. That's it, and save. As you can see, it is rendering. Well, the time that this rendering takes depends on the type of your system, the type of the hardware that you use, as well as the complexity of the process and the project that you worked on. Well, by pushing the space button, you can pause this rendering and do it again to continue, or in order to cancel it, you can push the escape button here, and after that it is canceled. As you can see, open folder, and you can see the video as long as it is rendered. See, so beautiful. Alright, so if I want to render all the clips at the same time, render a movie, I should click on this entire movie. It doesn't need to have any effect, and after that click on render movie that we have here. It renders all the clips at the same time, and after that you have a movie. Okay, so you can do it in movie mode, in animation mode, and even you're able to do this in photo mode as well. You can render all the clips at the same time, or at all the shots that you have here. It's a very good feature. See you next time.